Hello, Thomas. I hope you are doing well. Let me just quickly give you the idea what is going on here. This folder of yours I have created on the C drive. This is not the part of OneDrive folder. I take all of your files within that folder. I make sure that I also cover this kind of files. It is actually working. As you can see within the status bar, all of the files are creating without any error. Remember, this is working on local file. So let me just show you. This is working on a local file, not the OneDrive folder. I have created another folder on the desktop, which means that this is part of the OneDrive folder. I place both of your Excel and the template file within that folder, making sure that everything is within the OneDrive. Please take a look at this one. This is the OneDrive folder. See, this is working without an error so far. Okay, so it has finished the work. Uh, Here's the take, Thomas. I think we should have a quick meeting. I will resolve this within 15 minutes of time.